Hi there friends, this is Bernie of Fitwell Alterations. Our project for today is how to replace a broken zipper. First, we're going to remove the broken zipper, clean the area, removing the old threads. The key here is to take note on how you remove the old zipper. That is the same way you are putting back or putting your new zipper. We're going to use the straight stitch. You may also want to check the zipper foot for your sewing machine. Done, I like it. Thank you for watching this video.